Imagine a framework that guides the collaborative process and presents the solutions in one shared space. Our Board of the Week shows how Trihelix design boards can help your team maximize your asset management with transparency and alignment in 3 short, focused sessions. The kickoff session involves team members dividing into smaller groups to work on 2 of 3 asset management stations, swapping over halfway through the session. This allows members to assess and validate the current strategic plan with input from all. The workstations on the board are designed to guide the team with structure and capture everyone's thinking. The development session involves 3 stations. The first requires people to review existing projects. The second, to use the identified strengths and weaknesses to generate new projects. The third session involves prioritising projects according to framework maturity. The Miro board allows for this to happen in real time, as all decisions and discussions are visible through feedback icons, colour coding, and placement on the templates. The advantage of this visual communication is that it captures the process as well as the solutions. Session 3 provides a template upon which to set out charters for each of the new projects, including objectives, timeline, team makeup, and what is in and out of scope. The use of carefully designed templates on the board ensures alignment and clarity and enables the workload to be shared. The advantage of using the virtual board are many. External documents are easily placed on the board to share with all. Rework is reduced as information generated on stickies can be tagged, colour-coded, provided feedback through pre-populated icons, commented upon, and moved around to best reflect an ongoing review. Evidence of the process and conclusions are on the board, clear and transparent for all stakeholders to see. Information from the board can easily be exported as a PDF. Tables of stickies can be exported to Excel spreadsheets. And presentations can be given from the board, just as I am doing right now. Find out more about how we can help you maximize your campaigns with our virtual collaboration techniques.